Let's move on. We have Nitin Madlani who's written in now. He says that he has a property in Mumbai in his name. He inherited it from his grandfather who died in 1975. Now there's an HUF in the name of his grandfather and his father, of which Nitin is a Karta. Now both his father and grandfather were not alive in 2005 when the Supreme Court had passed the order on HUF property where, girls or female children were given rights to HUF property. Now, sisters were married before 2005, he says, prior to the death of his father and grandfather. He wants to know if his sisters still have any right in this ancestral property.
See, let us make this point very, very clear because there's been a lot of misunderstanding and whether the amendment is retrospective or not. 9 September 2005 is where the amendment took place in the Hindu Succession Act. The amendment very clearly read that if on 9th of September 2005, if the father and the daughter both are alive, then the daughter will be considered to be a coparcener in the HUF property, okay, and shall have equal share like all other members of the family to the HUF property as well as ancestral property. So if before 9th of September 2005, before the amendment took place, if the father has expired, then the daughter would not have any retrospective right in the HUF or ancestral property. So if 9th of September 2005, both the father and the daughter are alive, then the daughter, whether married or otherwise, will have every right in the HUF as well as ancestral property. One more important thing which has happened is that even the daughters after the amendment can become Karta, which till now only the male in the family could become Kartas. So this is one very additional point which has come up in the amendment, giving that status to the woman, daughter or sister to become a Karta and run the HUF.
Right. So essentially, Nitin, your sisters, if we go by the question that you've sent us, you say your father was not alive in 2005 when that judgment was passed, when that amendment was brought in. In that case, your sisters really do not have any right in the property, though if you want to gift it to them, you are free to do so. However, key takeaway coming in here for all women who are tuning in to Property Hotline today, that is, after 9 September 2005, you have equal rights in inherited property, whether it is held under an HUF, which is a Hindu United Family, or whether it is, something that you're inheriting along with your male siblings. Essentially, the woman can be made a coparcener, which means has equal rights in the property. The woman also can be made the Karta of the HUF. The Karta is the person who takes all the decisions in the particular HUF. Right? So that is something that you need to keep in mind if you are in the line for inherited property.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.